Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can increase the download speed of your Google Chrome browser, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So slow downloading of the Google Chrome browser is very annoying, then we have to increase its downloading speed. Now first is we are going to bring up our Google Chrome browser. So in the Windows search bar, type here Chrome Google Chrome. Best match, click on that. Then here in the search bar, type CHROME colon forward slash flags. It's Chrome colon two forward slashes and then flags and hit enter. Then another search bar will appear. Just type here parallel downloading. Enable parallel downloading to accelerate the download speed for your Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android. Now you have to click on this drop-down menu and select Enabled. And then click on Relaunch. And once done, click on these three dots at the top right corner. Scroll down and look for Settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Now here in the list of options in the left pane, click on About Chrome. Now make sure to update your Google Chrome browser. So this is how you can update your Google Chrome browser. So let's just wait for this. Now nearly up to date, relaunch Chrome to finish updating. Click on Relaunch. And now our Google Chrome browser is up to date. So still on the left pane, you have to scroll up and click on the Privacy and Security, the one with the shield symbol. Click on that. Under Privacy and Security, you will find Delete Browsing Data. Now go ahead and click that. Then you have the Basic and the Advanced tab. Two options on how you can delete browsing data. Now you have to go into the Advanced. Time range, change this to all time. Browsing history, check. Download history, check. Cookies and other site data, check. Cached images and files, check. Site settings, checked. Hosted app data, checked. And do not check passwords and other sign-in data and also the autofill form data. And finally, click on Delete Data. Now once done, still on the left pane, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down and you will find Security, Safe Browsing, Protection from Dangerous Sites, and other security settings. Scroll down and you will find Advanced, Use Secure DNS. Select DNS provider. Now this is chosen OS default. Click on this drop-down menu and then choose Cloudflare. Once done, still on the left pane in the list of options, you have to click on Extensions. So if you have any unnecessary extensions, especially problematic extensions, you have to remove all of that unnecessary and problematic extensions. Then once done, simply go back to Settings and still on the left pane, you have to click on System. Now use graphics acceleration when available. If this is enabled, just simply disable this. And then just simply close your Google Chrome browser and then launch it again, and you will notice that the downloading speed of your Google Chrome browser has been increased. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.